Hi, my name is Jacobus, and this is my review of the online AI mastermind held at AGM Marketing in Largo, Florida, by Manuel Suarez and his team. This program is designed to help you unlock the power of AI and take your marketing efforts to the next level, I guess. So, of course, Manuel is a renowned expert in the field, and he was hosting this mastermind together with some key personnel who clearly also knew what they were talking about. So that was very nice. I learned a lot, not just about the latest, greatest chat GPT, where everybody's talking about, but about all the other products that work with some form of artificial intelligence that I didn't know about and that can help you grow your business. Um, Personally, I like the Q&A a lot, where he answered questions himself in his office. Uh, I followed online, and yeah, that was really cool. He set up some things live. Also, there was a live setting up of a Facebook ad campaign using AI by Jorge, who used AI to set this campaign up. But when you really look at it, we were flooded with all kinds of material and useful data in this field of artificial intelligence. And yeah, I liked it a lot. If he ever does another mastermind on this subject, I can highly recommend you do everything you can to visit, either in person or online. You learn a lot about your new best friend, as he calls it, ChatGPT. You learn about how AI is making your life a lot easier, especially as a business owner, or when you just start a business, how to build a brand from scratch using artificial intelligence. What I also really liked was the fill in the blanks marketing strategy we got handed out. Um, and that was written based on his experience and using and the experience of his team using artificial intelligence. And you can use it with artificial intelligence to basically write your own marketing strategy for whatever company you have or whatever niche you are actively selling in or working on. So yeah, overall, I really enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to day two, which is about to start. And yeah, if he ever releases this again or holds such a mastermind again, I can highly recommend you visit it. It's very well worth it.